Lúnasa is the ancient Celtic festival of the first harvest, from which the Irish month of August, Lunasa, takes its name. It marks a sacred turning point in the year, inviting us to honour not only the fruits of the land, but the inner harvest of the soul. This self-guided online course explores the self-abandonment wound and why, as healing begins, we often find ourselves self-sabotaging when life starts to feel good. The unfamiliar experience of receiving love, abundance, contentment, or belonging can awaken unconscious fears that makes it difficult to trust the goodness we have cultivated. Together we explore how to heal these patterns and learn to take your seat at the banquet of life. Inspired by Lugh, the radiant god of Irish mythology, and his foster mother Talstru, this course programme reminds us that every harvest is born through love, sacrifice and care. Rooted in the alchemical stage of rubedo, this course is an odyssey of soul and spirit, weaving together Irish folklore, mythology, language, Jungian psychology, music, poetry and heritage to deepen your connection with your authentic soul self. Before Surut, you will be welcome.